Hi everyone, today we're cooking some Vietnamese taco. Just kidding, it's just bell pepper stuffed with beef. For the ingredients, we need 200 grams of ground beef, 8 skinny bell peppers, 1 piece of ginger, 1 shallot, and 1 big garlic. Alright, we need also salt, pepper, and tapioca. And finally, the oyster sauce and sesame oil. Start by peeling off the skin of the shallot. Then do the same thing for the garlic. And finally, the ginger. Alright, then chop all of it. Wow, technology. Easy stuff. Ha! Once it's done, throw it on the beef. More flavor. Yum yum. Add some salt. Half teaspoon, preferably. And a quarter teaspoon of the pepper. Also, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Just 1 teaspoon. Get out. Get out. We might need to buy a new bottle. Then, a little bit of sesame oil. Mix it. Then add the tapioca. Only 1 teaspoon is needed. Mix it well. After that, you're gonna wash the bell peppers properly, please. Then, do some surgery. Open it, take out the heart, the seeds, and then add the meat in. Fill in. Yep, that's how we do it. Voila! Next, add the whole thing in the air fryer. Now, cook it at the 350 Fahrenheit degree, around 10 minutes. And hey, I think we burned a little bit, but hey, still good. Yum 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 yum. Bon appetit.